Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we are going to be talking about Ethereum and picking up where we left off in the previous Ethereum video. Now, at this moment, we are seeing some volatility over in the crypto market. We have a lot of red, and Ethereum at the moment is still holding on within its 618 Fibonacci level at a price just a little bit under that 1320 price that it needs to be well within that Fibonacci level. So, but it's still hanging out around that range. I'm calling it within a wave 3 right now, assuming that we have completed that wave 2 back on October 13th when the CPI data had come out and we saw a lot extra volatility within the crypto market. So within this wave 3, there's a lot that we can really expect, and hopefully we start to see some more price movements. Now, Ethereum is still within its falling wedge pattern, but we have Bitcoin that is making moves out of its falling wedge pattern right now, which I talked about in the last Bitcoin video. You can see how things are moving along there. And Ethereum is still just making its attempts, moving sideways at the moment. And hopefully within these next couple of weeks, we'll start to see some price movements on the outside of this. And this is as long as we continue trading sideways. If we were to get some sort of price moves to the upside, then in that case, we would be able to see Ethereum, of course, break out of this much sooner, which I was hoping that we would be able to see. But still, it's just doing its own thing. Now, there's still no guarantees that we have completed this wave 2, but just assuming that we did is where I'm at. A lot of people are saying that the possibility of seeing Ethereum go down below its 52-week low, so below that price that it was at, just under $900 is a possibility, and just more further retracement to back to where it was back in December of 2020 is what some people are still at right now. So I don't want to get that bearish. I think that we did see that low, and since we already did retrace a lot back within this wave 5 on the downtrend, that bottom is in. But I know there's a lot of criticism there, as a lot of people that are bearish do not want to agree with a bullish opinion like that. So seeing that we're starting off these waves here, where the price of Ethereum could be going up to around $3,000 is a possibility within its third wave, or even higher, because it could go back and retrace where that fourth wave was on the downturn, where the price of Ethereum was at around $3,500. So who knows where it could go, but I still think that possibility of seeing this third wave break out and go up to around $3,000 is a possibility. So let's look at our moving averages real quick. So we're within our 20-day moving average right now, and that's causing a little bit of resistance. And then we have our 50-day moving average that is much closer to this trend line that is currently at the price of around $1,400. So if we were to see this price move to $1,400, that's going to get us well positioned to be on the outside of this trend line. And our 100-day moving average is already on the outside of this trend line. And that's one of those bullish things that to look at here, that it just means that we're getting closer and closer to start seeing Ethereum in a different trading pattern. Now, also worth looking at is our bull market support band, which we currently have. It's within our 100-day moving average right now. So it starts at the price of around $1,450. So as we pump through our 50-day moving average, we'll start to work our way into that. And you can see that it's moving outside of this trend line as well. So I think that when Ethereum does make its way out of this trend line and start pumping through these different moving averages, that's going to be one of those things that we'll probably see the price movements happen much faster. Now, to be on the other side of this bull market support band, so it's still the bear market resistance band at this moment. So to be on the other side of this bull market support band, it's going to be at a price of around $1,650 to be able to see such. And we're seeing a lot of really amazing price movements with cryptocurrencies that are already on the other side of that bull market support band, like Quant and XRP, for example. So as far as things here in the short term, if we were going to be able to confirm that this price that Ethereum was at on October 13th was the end of the wave 2, and this is the wave 3, then what would be the best case scenario is for the price of Ethereum to go back to this, to work its way through this 50% Fibonacci level at a price of around 1450 and get right up within at least this green square. And it could be anywhere within this. If it was just a pump into this, would be the best case scenario, because this would be pumping through that trend line of the falling wedge pattern. Then there's also that more neutral case, which also doesn't guarantee that we've completed that wave 2, is if we were to just continue to trade sideways here, and then we would be on the outside of that trend line just by default, due to the fact that it would hold this Fibonacci level. But the worst case scenario there, or actually with both these, would be still if the price was to come down and then fall down within that falling wedge pattern again. So the idea is to break out of that pattern and then to see that bullish price movements to continue would be the ideal situation. So we need to work our way up to a price of around $1,450, somewhere around there, to be able to have more assurance here that this is a wave 3 that we're currently in. So hopefully this corrective wave will have something to tell us in the coming day of what we're currently seeing, and if this little move within the price is going to be what is going to start to send the price of Ethereum up right into where we need it to go. So anyways, I'll just keep it short here for this one. I will continue to keep you guys updated with what's going on with Ethereum, and of course many of the other cryptocurrencies as well. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I'll see you in the next cryptocurrency video.